Can you go Stephen Palange? I think that's my, yeah, I can do that. I think that's my YouTube. How come it doesn't say what it is? Kind of figured it was YouTube. All right. It's 2 o'clock. I'm not going to be live streaming too long. I'm just going to start it because I have to get to Staples because I ran out of ink and toner. But I'm responding to this. It's motion for an extension of time. When did I printed this out on the 17th. What was the 17th? Because they approved it on Friday. Give me a second to bring up a calendar. Go to my Outlook. Go to my calendar. Wednesday, he submitted this. Friday, they approved it. I was still amazed. I was still amazed about it. I said, do you really think I'm going to let you get away with this? Do you think I'm not going to object? I don't really object. I don't object to the extension of time. I would have probably submitted this myself, but I don't have to do anything. There's no onus on me. I did everything I was supposed to in the First Circuit Court of our United States. This is the bad guys. Keep saying, this is the second time saying, Your Honor, First Circuit Court, we hereby been warned by this here gentleman. He went and he sent us. I like doing hillbilly, because hillbilly don't mean you're dumb, and even dumb people can learn. Holy shit. Well, this here dumb hillbilly, he went and sent them a letter, Rule 11 violation letter, or a Rule 11 warning letter. I am required by the rules of our United States and how we conduct business within our honorable courts. Honorable courts. Give me a break. There's no such thing. There are honorable judges within dishonorable courts. But there are no honorable courts. Come on. What court is honorable? Honorable. Maybe traffic court. I bet that's probably the only most honorable court. No. I can prove that they're guilty of targeting, guess who? Pick a color. I can prove with the data. That's why I go to places like this, people. Hold on. This is why I go. When I see this, I say, oh my God, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Let me see this. And by the way, 7 pages. I hate big graphics. You're going to chew up my ink. Ooh. They're talking endpoints. I love seeing endpoints. My world revolves around. They're talking data encryption. I have a future with data encryption. Oops. I don't know why that went that fast. All right. This is good. Cool. And then there was the third one I wanted. I'm tired of giving them names. Just save it. Go back. Oh, this one's a PDF. Oh, that's right. I go back. And what was the third one? Cloud. That's it. What's below that? High cost of disconnected data, huh? Big data integration. No. integration cloud. No. The death of traditional data integration. Oh, that's interesting. All right, so you guys really push that data integration, huh? How to build enterprise data lake. I almost choked. I would love to read that. Oh, come on, guys. This is ridiculous. Hey, this is why you kept... Did you notice the page was messing up and it went right to the bottom? I said, you son of a bitch, the second time you did that. I said, screw it. I might as well read them on my way back up to here. To cloud or not cloud. They're making me... Well, it's already filled out. Job title is never filled out for some reason. On any website, anywhere, no matter how much I type in partner. I love when they put, oh my God, come on, guys. Oops. 214, yeah, there we go. Download now. Oh, it's data, cloud data warehousing. Oh, that's very special. Yeah, I'm still curious. Let me see. Let me see what technology. And now the first thing you do, if you're serious about learning this crap, you go track this person down on LinkedIn and you follow them. But first I want to see, and they'll tell you all about them. Thought leader in business intelligence. All right, analytics. Ooh, I like the word analytics. You don't like business intelligence? I like analytics. His own company. All right, interesting. Interesting. All right, no, it's a general. It's not specifically, what did I say, data lakes or... Oh, they immediately jumped right onto security. That's where I make all my money. It brings joy to my heart. Data movement, cloud first, stay the course, hybrid computing, Cloud 1 is SharePoint. Your first big cloud application that you should master as an organization is SharePoint. Teams, SharePoint, Office. And then secure all that. And then back it all up before you move on and pretend you're actually doing something with data security. Cloud data warehouse. I wonder why they're using that terminology. All right, cool. It's 9-page. You can download it. I can't print it out. Again, because I only print with a pen, red pen. Woo-hoo! God loves me. Red pen. What do we need to do? All right. That was for my company. I had to do a little bit of work. Now I need to move over to my other company. I have 3. I spend most of my time with the first one, a little bit of my time with the second one, very little time of my time with the third one right now, because the third one really depends on the first 2. I need to fund the third one with the first one and the second one. All right. On the second company, what I need to do is, I really want to read that later. I want to see if I can bring up, let's see, go to email. Yeah, that's cool. And I want to see if I can bring up, that's just easier, go to first circuit cord, grab last email. Personal, I don't know, can you, I'll see if I can, yeah, I'll show you. Look, watch all the, this is personal. I don't really have any personal email. What should I have? But when you click on, this is one lawsuit. Talk about that later. All right, this is, now, my co-parent and I, or my ex-wife or I, we're no longer in a lawsuit together. This has got nothing to do with her at all. This is just me currently with the state of Rhode Island. But right now, all that matters is First Circuit Court. End of story. First Circuit Court. It's going to make me go to Pacer, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't want to publish that. All right, I have to do that later. I have to go to Staples now anyway. What I need to do is I want to log in. I just deleted it. I want to log in, download a copy of this paper, cut and paste it into my own First Circuit Court template, and then I copy it. I go through sentence by sentence and I list all my objections, my reason for, etc., etc. I don't always do it that way, but it's a 2-page motion. That one, yeah, I can easily do it like that. So, all right. What else can I show you? Nothing exciting. Except, let me see if I can log into First Circuit. Docs. I do a lot of writing. Look at all, and these aren't just my scripts. I have a whole team of people, 5 different people that write scripts. Yeah, over here. Oh, I have to turn off that image. There we go. Oh, it's a whole frame, so it kills my whole frame. I'll leave it. Just type First Circuit. Well, I wanted to look through. Now, see, it's not going to give them the way I want. I just want to go, see, it took me to Drive. I don't want to be in Drive. I want to be in Docs. There's my notice of Rule 11 warning letter. Sent that to 10 attorneys, and I said, you guys are nuts. One, I can't believe you got away with, holy shit, you knew what the Attorney General was saying was not true. You knew the facts to be untrue, and you all just said, yeah, me too. But by agreeing with the Attorney General and you knowing the facts weren't true, that's a violation. That's a blatant violation of Rule 11. And we're talking federal court, people. We're not talking Little Rhode Island Family Court where all the lawyers are protected. Holy shit. Federal court. So, as soon as we got to... I couldn't believe that even the judge knew. He knew too. Because I said, excuse me, I wouldn't let that go by. I wouldn't let someone lying go by in court. Any slight deviation from the facts, I'd jump all over that shit. So I immediately jumped all over every single one, and I said, I object. There is no order in place. I motioned the appellant to provide blah, blah, blah. You know, they were just making stuff up. Oh, yeah. His case was fully adjudicated in family court, and they took his child away with no contact. They took his child away and ordered no contact, and he's just a poor state loser. That's what that man is. The man that Michael Fort, head of Rhode Island Family Court, has not let him hug his daughter in almost 4 years. So that's what they said to the federal court, and I said, I'm still in family court. I don't know about you. I'm still there. I'm just stuck there. If I try to file something, they just ignore it. He says, thank you, but you know the judge is not going to act on this. And I say, yeah, but I want it filed anyway. He said, you know you're not allowed to file a motion. And I said, yeah, well, then let me just accept my objection, etc., etc. No, there was never a decision. That we started a case in family court. We started hearings as part of a trial, but they stopped it 1 year in. That's it. They just stopped it. I said, no, I would like to continue with further hearings. We stopped right at, we know exactly how much money you make now. Took us a year to finally get that from you, but now that we got it, they stopped all hearings. Keep in mind, people, the whole time I think I made it very clear to them where I stood. Now you can't do it that way. You have to be very polite. But I said, Your Honor, the defendant is adamant, absolutely adamant about protecting not only his constitutional rights, but all the people that enter not only your family court, but all the 22 family court justices. He absolutely objects to everything this court has done from day one, including citing my medical marijuana license as legal justification for taking my child away. I don't think that stands up to the statute. I know the statute. I believe the statute is that one 18-18-15, RIGL 18-18-15. It's one of those. I had them all in a 3-ring binder. I had them all memorized. It's been years now. I said, these are the legal valid reasons you can take a child away from a parent. And it was bodily injury, hospitalization, severe emotional. She was full-time with me. She was full-time with me up until Judge Lanny signed that order and said, take that child away because I'm still waiting for that answer. Because he smokes pot, said Judge Lanny, and me being a federally funded judge, said Judge Lanny, I cite that as the requirement to meet that statute. I therefore forbid you from having that child ever again for the rest of your life, said Sandra Lanny. And I said to Ms. Lanny, Judge Lanny, I said, what did I actually say? I think I turned to my lawyer and I said, you tell Judge Lanny that she can go fuck herself. Because I knew the judge would be able to read my lips. You tell Judge Lanny that I said, she said, if you don't do exactly as I order, you no longer have a child. That was May 30th, 2018. Honorable Judge Sandra Lanny looked me in the eyes and said, if you do not submit to me and do this, this, and this, and sign that agreement today, here today, I am going to take your child away, and it'll be a minimum of several months before you will see her again. And I said, you really think you're going to fucking blackmail me? Are you out of your fucking minds? That's what I said to myself. I'm standing there. I said, she really did say what I just think she said. She just tried to blackmail me with my own child to do what I know is not in my best interest or my child's best interest or is in my legal best interest. So I turned to my lawyer and I said, please tell Judge Lanny that she can go fuck herself. All right, I got to go do some stuff.